Hey guys, I couldn't find an exact comparison with these two bandsaws, so thought I'd throw this out there. This is the Dewalt 20-volt Atomic compact with a 5 amp hour battery, Milwaukee Fuel, 12 volt. Weight comparison, almost can't tell the difference. The Dewalt is a little bit heavier. I believe this is 6.5 pound saw, 7 pound saw, bigger battery. You can notice the weight difference a slight bit, but they'll both get the job done. In my opinion, the 20 volt goes a lot farther than the 12 volt and is worth the tiny extra bit of weight. That's all. Have a great day.